My name is Lisa and I am a virtual character created online. Check out this video to learn how to create virtual characters for free. Thank you for watching. Before you go, subscribe to get new super cool videos.
To create a virtual character for free, go to KreadoAI.com. Click on Free Trial. Click on Sign Up for Free. Enter your nickname. Enter your email address and enter a new password for your account. Then click Create Account. Now go and check your email inbox. Also check the junk folder. Click on the email. Then click Verify Email. Now your email is verified, and you will be redirected to the login page. Enter your credentials and click Start Creating. In this video, I will be showing you the digital human video creation option. In the next video, we will see the other options. Wait for the page to load. Now let's choose a character. The first few characters are free. You can check the other characters. However, those are for premium users. I will choose this guy for our demo. On the right side, you choose the language. Then you choose the voice. Then you choose the mood of the character. I will choose friendly for this demo. In this box, type what you want the character to say. When you're finished, click Audition. Once the voice auditioning is done, click on Generate Video. It is estimated that it will take 10 minutes to complete the video. Now click Generate Video and come back after 10 minutes. Now the video is completed. Click on the download icon to save the video locally. Open the video to see the result.
Hello. Welcome to my channel. Please like the video and subscribe for more super cool videos.